Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm here with my first blog about my trip to UK. Actually, UK doesn't mean United Kingdom, actually, it means Uttarakhand, and I'll show you all the tourist places that we have explored throughout the trip of 3 days and 2 nights. And firstly, we visited Paonta Sahib, which is a religious place, and I'll show you glimpse of all the places. This is Yamuna River, and after that we moved to Dehradun, which is our favorite place where I usually take you and the cue cards. And today have a look at the actual view of the Dehradun, and my nephew Sahaj is showing you something over there, and this is the actual temple Gurdwara in Dehradun. This is the tree where Shri Baba Nand Singh Ji did tap for many years, and this is the lush green grass, and there are a lot of gardens. This is the most serene place that I've visited ever, and Sahaj is showing you all this great. Now we are going out of this temple's gate and moving towards. We reserved our rooms in hotel in evening around 5 o'clock, and now have a glimpse of all the natural views and scenic beauty of the Missouri for some time. And after that, I'll show you what we did next. This is the night view of Mall Road, Missouri, which is quite famous for its market and top class restaurant. And you can see this like this place always remains jam packed, and people have to follow all the instructions because authority is quite strict over here. In order to keep people safe from the covid, they used to give instruction about to wear the mask again and again. And this is the Hawa Mahal. There are various such kind of places for the shelter where people can stand and enjoy the natural beauty. And actually we have done this a short journey at night on rickshaw because we felt quite tired after exploring some scenic views. And now we are going towards our room.
अब हमारे रूम्स में जा रहे हैं and now we are going to our rooms. We are quite tired and tomorrow morning we will show you some other views. I hope you guys will also enjoy the view of Missouri. You can see this is the Mall Road and there are various hotels. There's a lot of traffic.
This is our first night at Hotel Monarch. All are slept except me. You can see my nephew and niece, they both are sleeping, and this is our room. And now we will meet in tomorrow. Guys, good morning. This is the second day. This is the morning of Missouri. You can have the look. You can see a monkey who is doing some mischiefs with a bottle, and there are various tourist places that we are going to travel today. We will Now we have started our journey for day 2, and firstly we visited Company Garden. You can see the entrance. This is the main entrance of this place, and this is the market that is located nearby Company Garden. You can see there are various things, but these are quite expensive. This place is too much beautiful. It's like outstanding. If you're an environment lover, must visit this place. If you visited Uttarakhand or Missouri ever, and you can see there are various varieties of flowers and plants, and its infrastructure is really outstanding. This water fountain is also superb, and there are a lot of photographers who click the pictures and provide you that on the spot. We also captured a group photograph over there, and you can see my brothers and the family, they are looking for the different places to capture their pictures. And afterwards there is a small lake where some water activities are provided for the children and even for the elders. And this is just a scenic view from the Company Garden. After that, this is the Wax Museum that is located inside the Company Garden. And after that, we went to the Kampati Falls. That is a fall where people do various adventurous activities. And this is the market of the Kampati Falls. And I'll show you the glimpse of the Kampati Falls. This is quite famous among the tourists. You can see how people are taking bath over there. And as I told you, there are various adventurous activities. This is one of those. This is timber trail that we have done. Beside this, there is bungee jumping, wall climbing, various other activities. Afterwards, we visited to Tibetan temple that is located at quite height. That was difficult for many of us because we felt tired. And like when we have to move forward on the hills, this is not a piece of cake. So we did this slowly. Finally we reached at the top. You can see the statue of the Mahatma Buddha ji. Views from here were just spectacular, and cool wind was blowing because this place is located at too much height. And you can see the road is also bit patchy. And these are symbols of Tibetan temple on which some religious words are written. And afterward we came back to Missouri in the evening. And this is the birthday celebration of one of my brothers, and this is a dance on the birthday. आ गई This is the place where we had our dinner, and afterward it started raining, so we stood here to wait for rain to stop, but it rained continuously. You can see running people. Afterwards we also did the same, and finally now we are also running. And this is finally we reached in hotel. This is inside view of our hotel, and this is Missouri's. Hello guys, this is the morning view of our hotel Monarch, Missouri, and the weather is really very cool. Have a look at everything. The weather is still cloudy. After some time I'll show you where we are going now. Now we are going back from Missouri, so into Dehradun side, and I will show you 1-2 more places in Dehradun, so be with me for few minutes more. Now we are reached in Dehradun again. This is the famous zoo of Dehradun named Malsi Zoo. Just keep watching and enjoy the outstanding views of this zoo.
ਪੀਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਮਹਾਪੀਰ तू है, फकर अवल फकीर तू है, हासा भी तू मीर तू है, रूह दा असल शरीर तू है, सब भैणां दा वीर तू है, शुरू भी तू अखीर तू है। वाह गुरु वाह 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 वाह गुरु। रुख भी तेरे पत्ते तेरे पहले सारे छत्ते तेरे। रुख भी तेरे पत्ते तेरे पहले सारे छत्ते तेरे, फिक्के तेरे रत्ते तेरे, रंग ये सारे कत्ते तेरे। तू कण कण विच कण कण तेरा, सत ही सुर ने सत्ते तेरे। वाह गुरु वाह 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 वाह गुरु। हर तन नूं वस्त्र बाणे दिंदा, भुल सबना दी जाने दिंदा। हर तन नूं वस्त्र बाणे दिंदा, भुल सबना दी जाने दिंदा।
Now we have continued our journey, and on the way these are few hotels where we are looking to have food. Actually this is our brunch time in Dehradun that we had at Punjab restaurant. Afterwards we reached in the Roberts Cave, that is also a famous tourist attraction, but due to heavy rainfall we didn't get chance to go through it, just we had a glimpse of this place, so I'm also sharing with you guys.
ਸਾਡੇ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਜੇ ਕੂਕਦੇ ਫੈਰ ਬੰਦੂਕਾਂ ਦੇ, ਗੇੜਾ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਵੀ ਮਾਰੇ ਨਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਪਿੰਡਿਆਂ ਰੂਤਾਂ ਤੇ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਫੇਲ ਮਜ਼ੈਲਾਂ ਨੇ ਟੈਂਕ ਲੜ ਕੇ ਅੜਦੇ ਆ, ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਸ ਵਾਕੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਸ ਵਾਕੇ ਕਰਦੇ।
So guys, now we have entered in Punjab and I'm just going to end the vlog. I hope you like it and let me know which scene or which place you like the most in the comment box. Bye bye.
ਵੀ ਮੱਥਾ ਲਾਇਆ ਮੋੜ ਵਕਤ ਸਿਪਾਰੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਚਿੱਤ ਨਾ ਡੁਲਾਇਆ, ਓਏ ਨਾ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਖਾਬ ਬੜੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਏ, ਹੋਰ ਐਵੇਂ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਨੈਣਾ ਨੂੰ ਜਗਾਈ।
ਅੱਜ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੀ ਛੱਡ ਕੱਲ ਦੇ ਖਿਆਲ ਨੂੰ, ਲੱਭ ਨਾ ਜਵਾਬ ਪਿਆ ਰਹਿਣ ਦੇ ਸਵਾਲ ਨੂੰ, ਛੱਡ ਦੇ ਉਦਾਸੀ ਰੱਖ ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਡੋਰਾਂ, ਚਲਾਕੀਆਂ ਚ ਘਾਟੇ ਕਾਹਤੋਂ ਲਾਉਣਾ ਜੋੜਾਂ ਤੋੜਾਂ, ਚਲਾਕੀਆਂ ਚ ਘਾਟੇ ਕਾਹਤੋਂ ਲਾਉਣਾ ਜੋੜਾਂ ਤੋੜਾਂ।
ਜ਼ਿੰਦਾ ਦਿਲ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਆ ਪੂਰੀ ਜਿੱਲ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਆ, ਮਸਾ ਮਸਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਮਿਲੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਆ, ਜ਼ਿੰਦਾ ਦਿਲ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਆ ਪੂਰੀ ਜਿੱਲ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਆ।